Use the Groups feature to uniquely organize users such as by department, location, or by product access in the LexisNexis Account Center or LNAC. From within LNAC, open the Users tab from the left navigation column. Open the Groups tab along the top. Create a new group by clicking the Add Group button on the far right and complete the fields. Click Save, and the group is added to the group list. Now, when adding a new user, the group can be seen to select. To add or remove an existing ID from a group, find the ID either by browsing alphabetically or by running a search. Select the ID and click the pencil icon on the far right. Add or remove the ID from the list of groups. Once done, you can use groups to filter users into a list for review or audit. Questions? Return to the home page, and from the support box in the lower right, access our support center and find contact options for customer support.